thing to consider is evidence. So teachers should be reflecting on their goal work as they go through the process. So once I have done some of those things, I'm going to come back and reflect on them. I'm going to add that evidence in, showing that I did what I said I was going to do. I have 4 choices for collecting evidence and adding that evidence to my goal. I can use a text box just to type in anecdotal evidence. I can attach a document. So I could attach an example of a lesson plan or a data sheet that I have, a quick view that I've exported and saved, and I want to include that data in my evidence. I can also link. So if I have something on my teacher webpage or something that's posted somewhere that I want to share, I can put that link in there. Or I can include a portfolio entry from the workshop side of Strive. So any courses that I've taken in my district or that I submitted as outside credit requests, I took them at the service center or wherever and got a credit that way, they will be in this little drop down menu for me to select the course that I want to talk about here. So I've selected that course, and then I have a box that says description. I wish it said description / reflection, because that's really what teachers should be using it for. So they can explain what it is that they attached, why it's relevant to their goal, what they learned from it, what they would do differently, any reflections that they might have on that experience of action and collection of evidence. So it's a great place for them to do their reflections and use it for more than just an attachment. It's actually a place for them to put some thought into it.